This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. The reinforced point is indicated with an arrow-shaped indentation in the sill. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and engage it with the hole in the bonnet underside. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the old oil to drain into the container. Clean the drain plug and renew the sealing ring. Refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container beneath the oil filter. Then, using a filter removal tool, slacken and remove the filter. Be prepared for oil spillage. Mop up any spilled oil and check the filter sealing ring hasn't stuck to the sealing face. If it has, remove it. Lubricate the sealing ring on the new filter with clean engine oil. Manoeuvre the filter into position, then tighten it securely by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Withdraw the engine oil level dipstick and wipe it clean. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Rotate the engine oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct grade of oil. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level frequently on the dipstick. Bring the level up to the lower mark on the dipstick, then add approximately 1.5 litres more to bring the level up to the upper mark. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap and reinsert the dipstick. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a brief delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before pressure builds up. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. Recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and ensure it's secure.